You can actually set WhatsApp to automatically send all photos and videos in HD quality. So first thing first, open your current WhatsApp like I've done here. So just click onto the three dots right at the upper right hand corner of your device. Once you're here, just tap onto settings. You will be able to scroll down a bit and locate a setting that says storage and data. So go ahead and click onto the storage and data settings. Once you're here, you will see the HD together with the little gear icon packed. Go ahead and click onto media upload quality. Click onto that. It will show you two different settings, one set to default standard quality and the other appears unchecked. Once you are here, you want to tap onto HD quality instead of standard. So go ahead and tap onto the second setting that says HD quality. Tap onto that. Once you're done with that, just tap onto save button. There, every photo and video you share will default to HD without needing to manually toggle the HD button for each file. You might want to check out this video right here. If this video helped, drop your comments or see you in the next one. Bye.